about various types of numbers. Various types of numbers. So, in this chapter, you will be studying about various types of numbers. The first type of number that you are going to study is natural number. The second type of numbers that you are going to study are whole numbers. The third type of numbers that you are going to study are prime numbers. The fourth type of numbers that you are going to study are composite numbers. And the last and the fifth type of numbers that you are going to study in this chapter are twin prime numbers. So, let's start with their explanation. The first numbers that I wrote on the board are natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Although you have studied about these numbers before, the natural numbers are the numbers that starts from 1 and goes till infinity. That goes till infinity. What are whole numbers? The whole numbers starts from 0. They start from 0 and goes till infinity. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors. Only two factors. And what are those factors? First factor is 1 and the second factor is number itself. The second factor is number itself. That means या तो ये नंबर 1 के टेबल में आता है या फिर ये नंबर सिर्फ खुद के टेबल में आता है. एग्जाम्पल 23. 23 सिर्फ 1 के टेबल में आता है और खुद के टेबल में आता है. So it is a prime number. Secondly, what are composite numbers? Composite numbers have factors more than. It has more than 2 factors. That means ये numbers अपने और 1 के टेबल के अलावा किसी और टेबल में भी आते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 22. 22 बेटा किस किस के टेबल में आता है? 1, 2, 11 एंड 22 खुद के टेबल में आता है. तो 1 और द नंबर इटसेल्फ के अलावा भी there are 2 more factors in which 22 exists. ठीक है? So it is known as a composite number. Now last but not the least comes the twin prime numbers. What are these numbers? Listen to me very carefully. These are those numbers which are prime and have a difference of 2. ऐसे numbers, दो numbers जिनके बीच का डिफरेंस, मतलब अगर मैं दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करूं तो आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? 2. और ये दोनों ही प्राइम नंबर्स होने चाहिए. जैसे 41 एंड 43. 41 भी सिर्फ अपने और 1 के टेबल में आता है और 43 भी अपने और 1 के टेबल में आता है. गॉट इट एवरीवन? और दोनों का डिफरेंस क्या है? 2. गॉट इट एवरीवन? सो दीज आर ट्विन प्राइम नंबर्स. इसका एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं. 71 एंड 73. 71 और 73 भी दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस कितना है? 2. और दोनों क्या है? प्राइम नंबर्स. हैव यू ऑल गॉट इट? Natural numbers, whole numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers and twin prime numbers. I want you all to write the definition of the types of numbers. So this is your first homework. You will be writing the definition of natural number, whole number, prime number, composite number and twin prime number. Got it everyone? Sure? Now, coming to the next topic of this chapter is there are two types international place value system and the Indian place value system. Although you have studied it in your previous class, but still I am recapitulating it. What is the international place value system? In international place value system, what is the first period? Ones? Yes or no? And in this also we have ones, tens, hundreds. The next period is thousand. In this we have 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Got it? And the last system, last but not the least, we have various other periods also, but I will be teaching you till millions. So we have million, 10 million and 100 million. So in one period we have 3 digits. In one period we have 3 digits. That is why beta in international place value system we put up the commas after 3 digits. We put up the commas after 3 digits. For example, if I am taking a number, if I am taking this number, so first of all I'll put, this is the first period where it has ones, tens, 100, then I'll put the comma. Where then we have second period of thousands, then I'll put a comma. Here it is 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Then we have another period, this one millions, so I'll put a comma here. So basically we put these commas according to the periods of the place value system. If we are writing it according to international place value system, we will be putting the commas after every 3 digits. If we are writing it according to the Indian place value system, I'll tell you how you will write. You people have made this table in your earlier class, previous class. I hope you all remember this. It also has many periods, but I'll be teaching you about 3 periods. The first period is of ones, tens, hundreds. Then it has 1,000, 10,000. Then it has lakhs, 10 lakhs. So if I am writing a number here, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 2, 1. Okay. So how many digits does the first period has? 3. So I'll put a comma after 3 digits. How many places does a second period has? 2. So I'll put a comma after 2. And then this. So this number becomes 34,68,921. Got it everyone? The international and the Indian place value system. If you want to copy it, you can copy it. But this thing should be clear in your mind. So, your second homework for this is, you will be drawing the table of international and Indian place value chart. ठीक है? This I have taught you in the previous class as well. Got it everyone? So now we studied about the Indian and the international place value system. Supposedly it is 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 1. I am teaching you according to the Indian place value system. I am teaching you according to the Indian place value system. First 3, then 2. So what will be the place value of this? Let's recalculate the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakh. So 1 into 1 lakh. So this is their place value. This is their place value. Got it everyone? I hope you are able to recollect whatever we taught in class 5th. Whatever we studied in class 5th. Got it? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs. Got it everyone? Sure? So this is the Indian place value system. So if I need to expand this number, if I need to do the expansion of this number, how will I write it? 2 into 1 lakh plus 3 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1,000 plus 6 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 1 into 1. So this is the expansion of this same number. We are just adding the plus sign with the place values. We are just adding the plus sign with the place values. And these place values helps us to do the addition